Friends, I have bought earbuds from Flipkart. These are the Bluetooth earbuds, TWS earbuds from Nirvana ION by boAt, and these are the boAt's premium series. Let's unbox this. Okay, so this is what we get out of the box: a TWS with a nice cover. Let's see what we get. I think this is a charging cable, quite good, type A to type C. We get ear tips, we get some extra ear tips, also we get some user manual. So this is the user manual from the Nirvana. Also they get a warranty card or some nice stickers from the boAt. Okay, let's keep this everything aside. Let's check out the product. So the product is very good. In-hand feeling is very good. This is quite heavy but quite comfortable, and it can easily fit in the pocket as a first impression. And it looks very premium. White color looks very premium with this metallic strip and the branding from boAt. Also at the bottom you will get to see a reset button and a type C port with this battery indicator or not comes out easily. So the quality of these earbuds is very good and very premium as they promise. So let's see what are the functions of this earbud. So this earbuds comes with a 5.2 version of Bluetooth, which is quite good and latest, and it gets connected within 2 to 3 seconds with my device, which is a very good. It has a 10 mm drivers with IPX4 setting, with IPX4 water resistance, and about the charging, it has a 600 mAh battery for a casing and 70 mAh battery for the buds, and the playback time for the buds itself is a 24 hours, and with the casing it has a playback time of 120 hours at 60% volume. Means if you listen music at 60% volume, you will have a battery backup of a 128 hours. So it has a dedicated gaming mode for a 60 millisecond low latency, which is quite good to reduce the delay in the sound for a firing or a footsteps for that. And it has a dual equalizer mode. In the first mode, which is a normal mode, which is a balance mode, and you will get to see listen a flat bass and clear music with clear vocals. And in the signature mode, you will get to listen a proper bass. If you are a bass lover or if you are a music lover, then you will love that signature mode also. So touch controls are very good. I am using this earbud. Touch controls can be controlled by the application given by boAt hearables, and like if you tap it once, you will play and pause the music. If you tap 2 times, you can change the modes. If you tap 3 times, you can reduce the volume or increase the volume. So overall experience is good with this earphone. It has a Google connectivity option also, so it gets paired with the Google also. And in-ear detection option is there. If you remove this earbud from your ear, so the music will automatically stop, and if you wear it again, the music will play. And the mic quality is also very good. For mic quality, it has a nice it has a noise cancellation. So the mic quality is very good. If you are using this earbuds for a calling purpose, then these are the best earbuds for you in this segment. So at this price point, these earbuds are very good for the music, good for the battery, and good for the function. So these are the all-rounded TWS you can use. So go for it blindly if you want to purchase this. Thank you.